Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get the Disney Plus bundle without ESPN Plus. Now, if you want to get this without ESPN Plus, there is a chance you can get this still. So basically, as you know, the bundle from Disney Plus, has a Hulu, Disney Plus, and then ESPN Plus, and any additional things, can be added, but usually it's Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and then Hulu. So basically there is a way. I found the Reddit here, and basically as you can see, you can get Hulu without ads, and then you can add Disney Plus as an add-on for $3. You must be unsubscribed from Disney Plus for this option to show up, as you can see. So in total, the Disney add-on is like $2 or $3. You're going to have ads. You have ad-free Hulu, which is $15, and you're looking for $17 out the door. Now, the ad-free Disney bundle is $20. So you can get a $20 bundle and, ignore the ESPN Plus and save yourself, the everything right from the ESPN Plus. Or you can basically go and get the Disney Plus add-on, which is $2, and get also the ad-free Hulu, which is $15. So for like $17, you will get those two, right, without the ESPN Plus. So that's pretty much how you can get, the Disney Plus bundle without the ESPN Plus. This is the only way currently. Hopefully you find this video useful, and we'll see you in the next video.